So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to download apps on EE Box Pro, App Store setup, sign in and install fix. So how to download apps on EE Box Pro. The EE Box Pro allows you to install streaming apps such as Netflix, YouTube and more through the built-in App Store. If you cannot download apps or the store is missing, set up your account. Internet connection and system update usually resolve the issue. Step 1 is open the App Store on EE Box Pro. The first step is accessing the built-in App Store to browse and install apps. Turn on your EE Box Pro and open the home screen. Then scroll to Apps or App Store. Select Google Play Store or the default app marketplace. Browse categories or use the search icon. Select the app you want to open its page. Step 2 is sign in to your Google account. You must sign in before installing apps from the Play Store. Open Google Play Store, select sign in, enter your Google email address, enter your password. Accept the terms and conditions. After signing in, you can download app normally. Third step is download and install an app. Once sign in, installing app takes only a few steps. Open Play Store, select for an app, search the app from the result, click install. Wait for the download to complete. Select open to launch the app. The app will also appear in the app section on your home screen. So how to download app on EE Box Pro, install fix. Fix 1 is check your internet connection. Apps will not download if the TV box is not connected to the internet. Open settings, select network and internet, choose Wi-Fi. Connect to your home network. Enter the Wi-Fi password and confirm. After connecting, try downloading the app again. Second fix is update the EE Box software. Outdated firmware can prevent the App Store from working correctly. So open settings, select device preference, choose about, select system update. Install any available update. Restart the TV box. Third fix is clear Play Store cache. Clearing cache can resolve download error or stuck installation. Open settings, select app, choose Google Play Store, select storage and cache. Clear cache and clear data. Restart the device. So the fourth fix is restart the EE Box Pro. A quick restart fix temporary software glitches. Press the home button on the remote, go to settings. Select device preference, choose restart, turn the device back on. Thank you.